Do you want to make a calculator in C# WinForms application in Visual Studio? You are in the right video, my friend. Because today, I will show you how to make a very simple calculator. Create new project, choose WinForms applications, name your project, then press create. Now let's design the calculator. First, add text box. Then add button. Then copy the button for the numbers 0 to 9. Then paste again for the signs and clear button. So in total you will have 16 buttons. Now double-click on button 1 and type this code. Then copy the code so you can paste it on button 2 until 9. Just follow what I'm doing here. Note, the code of buttons 0 to 9 are all the same. So once you type the code, you can just copy the code for the rest numbers. Also, don't forget to change the name of the button 10. Remove the 1 to make it button 0. Now rename the 4 signs. In addition sign, change the name to BTN. Add. In subtraction sign, change the name to BTN. Subtract. In multiplication sign, change the name to BTN. Multiply. In division sign, change the name to BTN. Divide. Now double-click on the plus sign and type this code. Copy the code for the rest of the sign. And just paste the code, then just change the symbol. But don't forget to put the process arithmetic operation at the bottom so your sign will work. Now double-click the equals button and type this code. Then last, double-click your clear button and type this code. Just like that, you were done. It is so easy. Even my dog can do it. The 0 to 9 buttons have all the same codes. The plus, minus, times, divide have the same code. Only the signs are different. The equals and clear have a very small codes. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe. It will help me a lot. And leave a like, so others can discover my channel. Hope you guys appreciate my work and effort. Stay C#. See you next time.